Inside the H1, I am keeping 0. What I am keeping inside H1, sir? Any doubts, ma? I will say,
is being
I have to select this element, sir. How do you select an element? Give an ID. ID, count. Go here. Document dot get element by ID. The ID name is count. The ID name is count. Dot text content equals to dot text content equals to C. Because C value is already updated now. Right or not? Now if I click on it, what will happen? Again. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, is it clear? Online, can you hear me, ma? Hello, online, is it clear? I think online got cut, disconnected. Am I audible online? Oh, yes, sir. It is coming slowly. Okay, responses very good. Okay. Now, so I hope it's clear now. Can we do a simple project, sir? Now, I'm going to do a simple project, sir. The project is counter application. Okay. Sir, we didn't discuss complete manipulation. We just started. We need to discuss so many other things like inner text, inner HTML, or style, class. Don't worry, we'll discuss slowly. Now, let's start here. Let me explain it. Go here, go here. Let's do one project. JavaScript first project. The project name counter. Now inside the counter, I declare two values, two pages. Index.html, script.js. Now inside the index.html, text content means whatever the text inside the element. Simple. Now I just write it here, title, and then declare script src dot slash script dot js. Now see. So I wrote it one. Now, is there any doubts, ma? No. The JavaScript will be completed within this month itself. Max to max in 3 weeks by some kind of what's the date today? 4 today's. Mostly by 20. 2022 kind of your course will be complete. Okay. So you can take it at 20 days. But any doubts in this one till now? Is it clear now? Now, sir, what you want to create? I want to create one application like this. If you already know how to create, you create it. Center of the page. Listen, I want to create this. Voice focus here. I want to create it. Center of the page. I will write it here 0. I will put here plus. I will put here minus. I will put here reset. If I click on plus, 0 will become 1, 2, 3 something. If I click on minus, it will decrease 1 by 1 by 1. If I click on reset, it will become always 0. Is it clear the project, ma? Any doubts in it? No. So I will also add CSS. So I will combine it as a full one, complete one. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So go here, go my project, link, CSS. Now title, counter. So what you need, sir? I need one div, which is like counter. Inside the div, I need one h1 or paragraph. You take it whatever. Value is 0. H1 or paragraph. Value is 0. Then class name or ID name. Count. Here. Div dot buttons. Inside that 3 buttons I need. Plus. Minus. Reset. Oh, sorry. Reset. Does anyone have question in my HTML? See the HTML. Because once you are clear with the HTML, then I will move forward with the CSS or JavaScript, your wish. Then we will cover the remaining. Is it clear, everyone? HTML clear? No doubts. Now, let's move. Do you want to do first JavaScript and come to CSS, or CSS and go to JavaScript? JavaScript. Okay, let's come to the JavaScript. To do JavaScript, you need to put here functions. If someone click on plus button, what it will do? On click, call one function incr. If someone click on this minus, call one function decr. If someone click on this function on click, call one function reset. But sir, did I wrote it any incr function? Decr function? Reset? No, so I have to write them. 3 functions I need to write. Also, I need to take this 0 also. I need to take this 0, 1 and I need to write it incr, decr and reset. So first thing, go there. I will take that 0, 1 const count equals to document dot get element by ID count. So I will take that and I stored it inside the count only. Now what is the count value? That complete h1. H1 is count. If I write count dot text content, then it will be 0. Right or not? Then I will also say let some c value 0. What is c value? So I need to write 3 functions, sir. Function incr. If someone write it incr, what it will do? C++. Then count dot text content equals to C. Then function decr. C minus minus count dot text content equals to C. Obviously, I subtract and gave it. Can anyone tell me how to do reset, sir? Can anyone tell me reset? C equals to 0. Yes, you have to make the C value 0. Then you can directly say count.text content equals to 0. But the problem is, if you directly say count.text content equals to 0, count value will become 0. But the C value will become the same one. Na? If anyone did increment or decrement, it will change from that. Okay, so that's why you have to make C value also 0. That will make the correct code. Perfect. Now plus, minus, reset, reset. Any doubt, sir? Acha, code ho gaya. Now what is baki? CSS. Let's make it colorful. Has a box sizing, border box. Now here, margin 0, padding 0, and body display flux, justify content center, align items center. Sir, will it give negative values? Obviously, it will give negative values because 0 minus 1 minus 1 rahta. Simple. There is no logic in it. It will go negative values. And height 100 VH. For the persons who don't know HTML, CSS, please learn it. And I will go here, hash counter, the bigger div. I will say box. It's like padding 50 pixel, padding 200 pixel, background color ish. No, not looking good. So height 50 VH, width 50 VW. Now see this. Good. Box shadow 1 pixel, 2 pixel, black, border radius 20 pixel, and again display flux, flux direction colon, justify content center, align item center. For the persons who don't know, I'm just playing the CSS one. You can also try with it. Now, all I need to do is last one, which I will say each button will be having adding 20 pixel, background color, black, color, white, border radius 10 pixel. Now, acha hai. It's not great, but it is somewhat adjusted. Anyone have any doubts, ma? Does anyone have any doubts, sir? Okay, I will give you a task. Everyone, listen to this. If I click on minus, what will happen? I don't want it to go to minus 1. If I go here, how much I will go? It will go infinite, na? No. Maximum limit 25. What is the maximum limit? What is the minimum limit? If I click less than 0, it should show one message like you cannot go to less than 0. If I go more than 25, it will say an alert box, don't go to more than 25. Do your own research, try it your own things. I don't care. I want it. My counter should not go less than 0, should not go more than 25. And I want it to look nice, beautiful UI. And tomorrow put it in Netlify and bring it. Is it clear, ma? From today onwards, again, it will start every day. We will give the tasks. Okay. For next 20 days, if you do it, that will be enough for JavaScript. If anyone have any questions, you can ask. Ma, I will push the whole code into the GitHub now. You can take my code and try it further. Is it clear? Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you all. And I will push it the whole thing into GitHub. Please take it from there. After the course, also, you can access my GitHub until 6 months. Yeah.